Welcome to this overview of ElevenLabs Voice Cloning. The audio for this video was actually created using my own professional voice clone. If you want to create an account with ElevenLabs, there is an affiliate link in the description below. Inside ElevenLabs, there are two different options. The first option is instant voice cloning. The second option is professional voice cloning. Let's start with instant voice cloning first, because this is the fastest and easiest option for most people. With instant voice cloning, all you need to do is record yourself speaking for about 30 seconds. After uploading the recording, ElevenLabs analyzes your voice and creates an AI voice model based on your speech patterns, tone, pacing, and pronunciation. And within minutes, you can start generating AI voiceovers using your cloned voice. Instead of recording every voiceover manually, you can simply type your script into ElevenLabs and let the AI generate the voice for you. Now let's talk about professional voice cloning. Professional voice cloning is designed to create a much more advanced and hyper-realistic version of your voice. Keep in mind that the creator plan is required to create a professional voice clone, and each account is limited to one professional clone, unless you upgrade to a higher tier plan. Because of this, it's important to use a high-quality microphone and record in a completely quiet environment during the 30 to 120 minutes of audio recording. If you already have high-quality audio recordings of yourself, such as a podcast episode, then you can upload that without having to do any additional recording. Instead of only requiring 30 seconds of audio, professional voice cloning requires at least 30 minutes of recorded speech. However, most people recommend recording around 2 hours of audio for the best results. The more high-quality audio you provide, the better the final voice clone becomes. Professional voice cloning can capture much more detail in your voice. It understands your speech patterns more accurately, your natural pauses, emotional tones, pronunciation style, pacing, and vocal characteristics. If you're looking for a realistic voice and it doesn't have to sound like you, there are a few other options to explore. First, let's look at the voice design option. Instead of uploading your own voice, you can actually describe the type of voice you want to create. The AI then generates a completely original voice based on your description. This is useful if you want a unique brand voice for your content, or if you do not want to use your real voice online. For example, some faceless YouTube channels use AI-generated voices for narrations, because it allows them to produce videos quickly without recording themselves manually. Businesses also use these AI voices for advertisements, customer support systems, training videos, and presentations. Another feature inside ElevenLabs is the large library of pre-made AI voices already available on the platform. If you do not want to clone your own voice or generate a custom voice from scratch, you can simply browse the available AI voices and choose one that fits your project. There are many different voice styles available, including professional narrators, conversational voices, energetic voices, calm voices, storytelling voices, and more. This gives creators a huge amount of flexibility depending on the type of content they want to create. For example, if you are creating educational content, you might want a calm and professional voice. If you are creating social media ads, you may want something more energetic and engaging. The text-to-speech system inside ElevenLabs is also very easy to use. You simply paste your script into the editor, select your voice, and generate the audio. Within seconds, the platform creates a realistic voiceover that you can download and use in your videos or projects. Another reason why many creators use ElevenLabs is scalability. If you are running multiple YouTube channels, social media pages, podcasts, or online businesses, manually recording voiceovers for every piece of content can become exhausting and time-consuming. AI voice generation allows you to create much more content in less time. Some creators even use it to test multiple versions of scripts before publishing videos. Since the audio can be generated quickly, it becomes easier to experiment with different hooks, pacing styles, and content ideas. ElevenLabs also supports multiple languages and accents, which makes it useful for global audiences and international content creation. Another major benefit is consistency. Sometimes when recording voiceovers manually, your energy level changes, your microphone quality changes, or your voice sounds different depending on the day. With AI voice cloning, you can create more consistent sounding content across all of your videos. Another huge advantage is editing flexibility. For example, imagine recording an entire 30-minute YouTube video and then realizing you made one mistake halfway through the video. Normally, you would have to go back, set up your microphone again, match your tone and energy, and re-record that section. With AI voice cloning, you can simply edit the text and regenerate the corrected audio instantly. That can save an incredible amount of time. As AI technology continues improving, voice generation tools are becoming more realistic every year. What once sounded robotic and artificial now sounds smooth, conversational, and natural. Of course, it is important to use AI voice cloning responsibly. Always make sure you have permission to clone a voice, especially if it belongs to another person. Ethical use of AI is extremely important as this technology continues growing. Overall, ElevenLabs is one of the most advanced AI voice platforms currently available. Whether you want to clone your own voice, create a hyper-realistic professional voice model, generate entirely new AI voices, or use pre-existing voices from the platform, there are a huge number of possibilities for creators and businesses. If you want to try ElevenLabs for yourself, check out the affiliate link in the description below. It helps support the channel at no extra cost to you. And if you enjoyed this overview, make sure to subscribe for more videos about AI tools, online business, content creation, and digital marketing.